Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Danielle, also known as Slot Queen on YouTube and Facebook. Hopefully you enjoy gambling and YouTube suggested the right channel for you because I love slots and casinos and online social gaming casinos as well. Today we're going to be playing on punt.com. If you haven't checked out Punt yet, the link will be in the description of this video. You can sign up for free, set up your own punt account. You'll get free gold coins and free sweeps coins as long as you use my link to get signed up. And you could try out the game, and you can always play the game with gold coins for free. So Punt has Punt Originals. So far we have Later Gator, but they have a Frogger type one coming very soon, I believe. So these are where they're gonna put their 3D interactive games, because this is a sister site to chance.com. So this reminded me as soon as I seen it of Outback Jack's bonus, where you got to hop across the rocks and get across to make money. So this is actually really fun. We play this on our lives all the time, and I let the chat try and get across. Okay, we're gonna go here.
Whoa!
No. Oh, for the love. Oh, gator food immediately. Jeez Louise. Okay, so on this game, first of all, let me full screen it. You can change your difficulty level. You can change your bets right here, and then it basically tells you what you'll make if you get all the way across. And it also shows you what the pattern was. So it's not a skill-based game, even though it really looks like it, and you think, you know, skill. There's no skill.
Whoa!
Don't fall in. Oh, for the love, he doesn't even have luck. He's got to change his outfit. Buddy, this might need to change, because you don't have skill or luck. Okay, let's get a different angle. Let's see where those gators are. Okay, all right, let's go here.
Whoa!
Phew.
That's it!
Yes, finally. All right, we're going to go here.
Whoa!
There we go. Let's keep going this way. Ooh, there we go. So right now, I bought into this game for 4 SCs, and I could cash out $7.94. So double if I want to, or I can keep jumping and go further and further.
Whoa!
Oh yeah, okay. Matt, left, middle, or right? Matt says left. Left for my lefty.
Whoa!
Oh, good job, Matt. Okay, we're up to 2077. Left, middle, or right, Matt? Left for my lefty.
Whoa!
Oh, gator food. We had done really well, though. So this is Later Gator. This is really fun. I could play this for hours and hours and hours because I'm determined, look at that blood in the water, to get across. But they will also have another Punt Original coming that will be, like I said, like Frogger. But they do have live blackjack over here, with live dealers as well as non-live dealers. You still have your challenges over here, just like Chance. You've got your wallet and your SCs up here. So we have 4,376 sweep coins. And they've moved the majority of the games over here. You'll find most of them, but not all of them. They've moved 401, and Chance has over 700. So let's see. Well, why don't we do threes? 3 Buzzing Wilds. I love this one. Okay, full screen. Check our volume. All right. And it's funny because I have a lot of people that have been playing with me on Chance for several months now, and they also set up their Punt account when Punt came out, and they're loving Punt. They feel like they win more on Punt, and they're kind of exclusively playing on Punt. So that's cool. All right, we're going to buy in for 360 sweeps. We're buying the bonus. I love this game. It's one of my favorites. And I love the fact that you also get to pick your bonus coming up here. So you can pick how risky for the biscuit that you want to be. Excuse me. I like this one, Expanding Wilds, which I think is middle of the road, right? This one's great if you get her. This one could be great as well, but I like this one. All right, you little cutie patooties. Let's see how you do. Wilds, we need wilds. Oh no. I love the characters, they're so cute. This is our little Draco buggy right there. Oh guys, this is bad. Well, we got our first wild. We have one spin remaining. Well, at least we got some queens and some cutie patootie little caterpillars. Something. Not enough. 53.10. So that one, we bought that bonus for 360. That was not a good one for us. What we're gonna do actually, we're gonna buy all 3 bonuses on the exact same amount. Let's see what happens. So we'll save the hardest for last. We'll go with the random wilds. This one we get 10 spins. Love the honey dripping. Okay. Come on. More. The graphics on this one are so good. Uh-oh, don't do that. Oh no, guys. Something. We have 4 spins to go, and it skipped us again. We're in trouble here. All of our wilds have gone to the right. All right, we need like a primary symbol to drop in here. Oh, yes. Oh, that's great. Best symbol, and I think a couple of 5 of a kinds in there. Yes. Okay, that was a beauty. Last spin. Okay. This was the least volatile one that we could have chose. And we won just shy of 100 sweeps. So that was really good compared to the one that I chose. Okay, let's buy the bonus again. This time we'll pick the most volatile. All right, surrounding wild. So if you only have 6 spins to find her or land her. If she lands, she'll turn everything wild like within a couple of squares. So let's see if we get her. Come on. Oh no. Come on here, buzzy bee, honeybee. She didn't come at all. Oh, that's a little something, but I don't think that's our money back. No, 164.70. Darn it. But you can imagine if you could land her early on, you could have like full screen of wilds for several spins. So mine did the worst though. The one that I picked, the middle one, did the worst. Okay, let's go back to the 3 dancing monkeys. This is one of my favorites also. It's kind of like a 3, oh, there we go. Like a pot game where with the 3 different bonuses. So you can either get the 5 by 5 ways, more wilds or your wilds are multipliers. Ideally, of course, we would like the mega feature where we trigger all 3 of them. But my favorite are the bigger ways and the multipliers for sure. I've had some crazy great wins on this one. Okay, so let's do the same. Let's buy the bonus for 360 sweeps. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, we got wilds and we got the multiplier, but we're not growing at all. It's okay. If we get enough red gems, we can trigger the red guy during the bonus. I love the monkeys have a fantastic attitude. Dancing and happy monkeys. Oh, come on, Red. Come on, Red. Join us. Extra spin. All right. The little firecrackers award spins. Monies. Oh my gosh, come on. Oh, that was good. Thank you, thank you. Come on, Red. Come on, Red. Plenty of time to join the show. There's 5 aces. Okay. We need red. Come on, Red. Oh, come on, Red. No? Really? Okay. Whoops. Okay, we need to do something with these spins, guys. I mean, you guys are having a good attitude and you look all cute, but we need to get paid. No. Last spin, unless Red wants to pop. We had 19 spins, only won back 53 sweeps. We are going to try that again. Let's run it back. Okay, red and green. So we don't have the multipliers this time. We could trigger them, but let's see how we do. The bigger screen really helps. Oh, nice. Coins all the way across. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, just spins. Oh, some wilds. Come on, blue. Come on, blue. Oh. More spin. Okay, come on. Oh, do it, Blue. Join the party. Join the party, baby. Come on, Blue. If he does, if we can't get him, he'll automatically add 5 extra spins also. Oh, for the love. Perfect. Do it. Pop. No. Well, less spins, better win. We had the 5x5. You know what we're going to do? We're going to do it, guys. We're going to try it one more time on 3 dancing monkeys. Oh, okay. Red and green. Hoping for the blue. Something good. So we don't have the multipliers. Oh, I bet those would have paid well. Come on. We're gonna need like primary all the way across. Let's go. Guys, we're in trouble on this one. beautiful fan right here. Oh, we're in trouble. Oh, it's over. Shoot. Okay. Let me see what that game was that was right next to it. If it was a three kingdoms battle. Let's see what this is. If it's actually got like 3 something. Even though 3 doesn't seem to be. Oh, yes. 3 doesn't seem to be doing as well, huh? Oh, wait, you cannot. Yeah, you can't buy the bonus on this one. Okay, let's see. 3 buzzing wilds, 3 dancing monkeys, 5 golden rings, 4 mockingbirds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a barnyard mega haze. Let's try it. You can buy the bonus on it. It's got cutie little animals and corn and all kinds of stuff. Okay. 360. See if we could win it all back right here. Barnyard Megaways on punt. Buying in for 360 sweeps. Don't forget, you guys, there is a really good sign-up bonus. You get 5 sweeps coins and 50,000 gold coins as long as you use my link to sign up for your free account on punt that's pinned in the description below. Uh-oh, what we got going on here? Okay, 3 more spins under the hay. Oh, we missed a really good win. We needed a farmer. Adele, a farmer and Adele. I think I heard Maria. Oh no! Okay. Thank goodness for all these spins. Hey guys, can we show them what a win looks like here? What's going on? I better stay away from everything 3s for the rest of the day. No way, this can't be. There we go. Okay. That's how the game. There we go. This is how the game is supposed to work. Oh. More spins. Okay, monies. We need some spins here or some wilds with multipliers. Oh. Okay. We couldn't have a doggy there. Come on. Oh my goodness. Three more spins, all right. Oh, come on. Okay, that's good. That helped us out with the piggies. 5 more spins. Oh, look at all the dogs. That was a good one. All right, 5 spins to go. Let's get the W. Tens. Oh, there was a lot of 10s. It's a nice haystack. Uh-oh, last spin. More spins, more spins, more spins. More spins. Oh! Well, that's the most spins I've had. 25 spins. We bought the bonus for 360 sweeps. We won back 286. This is a really fun game with some great graphics. So let me know what you guys thought in the comments below. If you'd like to see it again, don't forget to check out my link in the description below for Punt and or Chanced. We live stream, have fun, and do videos on both of them. And I will see you guys on the next one.